Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to record a script in SmartBear's LoadNinja performance testing tool. Also try to give you some best practices along the way. So let's go. First we'll log in. Okay. Now, just to keep everything separate, I'm going to create a new project for this. And I'll call this project Record a Script. And use the same description just to make it easy. Okay, now we're inside the project and we're ready to record our script. If I look at the top, I see web tests. Currently in LoadNinja, a script is known as a web test, but that's going to be changing in the very near future. So we're going to stick with the term script, and we'll record one right now. So click record. Now you're going to put in the opening URL of the site that you want to test. Double check it to make sure that everything is exactly what you want, and then click start recording. When you do that, it's going to go to the opening URL, and you're going to see that step appear over here in the left column. Okay, that works great. What we want to do now, though, is whenever you record a test, it's a good idea to go in and get some keywords as assertions on each page. That way you can check to make sure that the page that comes up is the page that you planned on having come up, and not just an error page that happens to come back with a status 200. So we're going to come over here and we're going to look down below and see, here we go, add validation. So you'll click add validation, and I'm going to use the word extensive. What I do is I name my validation the same thing that I'm looking for. So I'm going to call it extensive. And the value is, of course, extensive. It's on the home page, and so I'm looking for the page to contain the word extensive. And you can see down here that it does. So we'll add that. Next, being very careful not to hover over something, even by accident, along the way, because that would get recorded. We're going to go up to blog. Now, we don't click right away. We're going to wait 2 or 3 seconds to make sure that the software knows this is something that we want to click on, and then click. Okay. And here we could say use small. So here we add a validation. I'm going to call it small with a capital S. And small with a capital S down below as well. And you can see that's what we're looking for right there. And we'll add it. Next, we're going to go to events. Waiting a few seconds. Click. I'm going to use the word importance this time. And then, this is something that I always like to do in my tests, is have a way to be 100% sure that no matter what you're seeing, you know for a fact that everything has gone through perfectly. And the way way I'm going to show that is I'm going up, and remember to hover and wait. Company, and then I'm going down to contact us. I'm going to wait, click it. So this form, when it comes up, I'm going to fill in my information. And scroll down and hit submit. You'll notice I didn't get a keyword on that last page. That was an oversight on my part, but we know for a fact that it works if we get the email. So there we go. We've done all of that, and all we have to do now is go up and stop it. And we have recorded a script in LoadNinja. Now, what we want to do every time we record a script is we want to play it through at least once and make sure that everything works as we expect. So what I'll do is come down here. I'll say minimum time, because if we're only having one user run through this, you don't want to waste any time sitting there waiting for things to get clicked on. And we will play. Okay, we've gone to the home page. It obviously found the keyword there and the keyword on this page, or we would have errors. Grab the keyword on events. And now we're filling out the form. Perfect. And we'll make sure that we save this for later. And let's call it script 01. And the project is record a script. Save. And that's all there is to it. It is very, very easy to record a script and play it back in LoadNinja. And because this is all done in the browser and recorded through the browser, all of the correlations done for us. We don't have to worry about all of that. One of the biggest pains I have had in the past as a performance tester is going through and adding all the manual correlations after the fact. But nothing, it's all good. Thanks very much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye now.